In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a selected clip in CapCut PC. If you're working on a longer project and only want to save one specific section without exporting the entire timeline, CapCut makes this surprisingly simple. The key is setting a clear start point and end point around the exact portion you want, then exporting only that selected range. To begin, go down to your timeline and place the playhead at the very first frame of the clip section you want to export. This part matters, so take a moment to position it as accurately as possible. Once the playhead is sitting on the correct starting frame, press the I key on your keyboard. CapCut will place a blue boundary marker at that location. This becomes your in point, which tells the program where your export should begin. If you look closely at the timeline, you'll see that blue brackets appear to mark the start of your selected range. Next, move the playhead to the final frame of that same section. This should be the exact frame where you want the exported clip to end. When you've lined it up, press the O key on your keyboard. CapCut will place a second blue boundary marker there. This is your out point listed, and it defines the end of the range. Once both points are set, the section between them will be highlighted inside a blue bracketed area on the timeline. That visual highlight is helpful because it confirms exactly what CapCut is preparing to export. Now it's time to save that isolated clip. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the Export button. An export settings window will appear in the middle of your screen. From here, give your clip a clear file name so it's easy to find later. Before you continue, check the duration shown near the bottom of the window. CapCut will display the length of only the selected range, which is a great way to confirm that you've chosen the right portion of the timeline. When everything looks correct, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the export window. CapCut will render only the highlighted section you selected rather than the entire project and save that clip to your computer. That's all it takes. Set the playhead, press I for the start, press O for the end, and export the selected range. It's a fast and efficient way to pull a single clip from a larger edit in just a few clicks.